what I can do is first take off this cap, just pull out like this, and then it comes off. And basically there's two little tabs in here that holds it in place. So once this is taken off, you can lift this out of the way. It's just tilted like this, and it's okay to apply some force here. So just turn, and then it just comes off like this. And you can see the problem here. Here is this, and that's why. And then you can buy a brand new one. This cost about 18 bucks Canadian. And then you have this side like this, and then pull it backwards like that, push this down, and voila, that's it. This is the before, and this is the after. If we do a search for a rear wiper refill, we'll see the prices are in the $20 range. Even though it's for multiples, I don't need to buy that many. And the cheapest one is $8.99 for 2 blades. But the problem here is I don't know how wide. Well, it does say, but you're just gonna make sure it matches exactly in terms of the width here matches your particular blade. And I think design-wise they're all the same. But because it's only about $10 cheaper and there's question about whether it fits or not, I decided to just buy from the Mazda dealership. $18. It was $9 more than this, but it was a guaranteed fit.